Welcome back, everyone. Today, we're diving into a product that can truly elevate your home lighting experience. We found the HitLights RGB 50/50 color changing LED strip light kit, and we've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The HitLights RGB 50/50 is a 32.8-foot LED strip light kit that comes with everything you need to create dynamic and vibrant lighting in your space. It features 300 SMD 50/50 LEDs, which are known for their brightness and efficiency. This kit is designed to provide ultra-bright, even lighting without those pesky dark spots or inconsistencies. Whether you're looking to create a cozy ambience or a lively party atmosphere, this strip light kit has got you covered. Let's talk about some of the standout features of this product. First off, the lighting quality is exceptional. Thanks to the double-layer PCB and SMD 50/50 technology, you get smooth, dot-free illumination that remains consistent from one end of the strip to the other. This means that whether you're using it for functional lighting or decorative purposes, you'll enjoy a seamless glow. Next, the kit comes with an all-in-one solution for easy installation. You'll find a UL-listed 36W DC power supply for durability and safety, along with an RF remote control that offers wireless operation from up to 66 feet away. The included 10-meter strip light is flexible and can be easily cut to suit your specific needs. It's important to note, though, that if you need additional connectors for any cuts you make, you can purchase those separately from the manufacturer. One of the key aspects of the HitLights RGB 50/50 is its versatility. This LED strip light kit is perfect for a wide range of applications. You can use it to illuminate your living room, bedroom, kitchen, or even your workspace. It's also an excellent choice for backlighting your TV or creating an inviting atmosphere during parties or holidays. The strip lights can be cut every 3 LEDs, allowing you to customize the length to fit your space perfectly. Now, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to enhance your home with colorful lighting, whether for relaxation, entertainment, or creating a festive vibe, this kit is ideal for you. It's also a great option for DIY enthusiasts looking to add a personal touch to their decor. Families can use it to brighten up kids' rooms or play areas, while gamers can create an immersive setup with dynamic lighting effects. In terms of practical use cases, imagine lining the perimeter of your living room ceiling with these lights for a soft, ambient glow during movie nights. Or perhaps you want to install them behind your desk for a modern touch while you work from home. The upgraded strong adhesive backing and additional mounting clips ensure that the lights stay securely in place, so you won't have to worry about them peeling off over time. Safety and efficiency are also at the forefront of this product. The UL-listed 12V adapter ensures a reliable performance, making it suitable for various environments, including bedrooms, kitchens, and even for festive occasions like Christmas or Halloween. In conclusion, the HitLights RGB 50/50 color-changing LED strip light kit is a versatile and high-quality lighting solution that can transform any space with its vibrant colors and easy installation. If you're looking to add a splash of color and creativity to your home, this kit is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe